Hi, my name is Darren from HCJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of speaking with George. George, can you please introduce yourself?
Thank you, Darren. My name is George Dimoff. I'm a certified public accountant, and I have a team of 14 senior professionals. And what we do is the same type of thing: demystify taxes as much as possible, and with a focus in international and typically complex situations.
Fantastic.
I've seen people that have gone to Puerto Rico, and this is
Yeah.
something that I wanted to ask you about too, is how much
Yeah.
have you been seeing this? Because I haven't seen it as much as you would think. This is a 4% total federal tax, and yet people aren't really doing it. What do you think is happening there?
In terms of Puerto Rico, it's an amazing opportunity from a tax planning point of view. But the downside, no disrespect, is that you actually have to live there, which for certain influencers and crypto bros, it's something that they want to do. But for many of the clients that I interact with, no, they want the freedom. It's all about freedom. And they want the ability, and the rules with Puerto Rico have becoming increasingly rigid over time. And the number of hoops you need to jump through and time you need to spend there, center of life, bring your family, run businesses, it's become untenable for a number of families. It was an interesting option, especially in the early stages of the crypto bull run, but it seems to have lost its zing, I think. What about you?
Yeah, I saw the same thing. I've seen people go there, and actually, I've seen people I was on a conference call one time with somebody that each year was, I don't remember, she's making 5 or 8 million a year net trading income, and this person was trading equities, not even crypto. Although what you said is exactly mirrors what I saw. Is it was the crypto boom that created this Puerto Rico growth and interest, and a part of it is also the rigidity of the requirements, which is another thing that you mentioned. Is, does your family live there? Do your employees live and work there? Do you have an office there? Is that where your primary business contacts are? Is it, you have to really show that your actual life is in Puerto Rico, not only that you're living there. And just like you said, a lot of people that are very wealthy want the freedom. And but I have seen people where, in my example with the equities trader making millions each year, decided to, hey, I'm going to move back to New York because that's where I like it more. It's culturally what I want to do. So I've seen the exact same trend now. Again, what you said is actually, I really agree with, where you don't want to so much look at people's opinions or even newspapers specific, like, I mentioned the Wall Street Journal earlier, because they have their own story that they're telling. And I like how you said that. You want to look at the data. So I have not looked at the data for this, but I have seen, just in terms of the amount of people contacting us for this, has dropped significantly, and there's been a decrease of interest.
George, if someone wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do that?
My website is a great way. You can go on our website, which is Dimoff Tax. It's my last name. That's EIMOV tax.com. Or you can send an email directly at info@dimofftax.com. Those are two great ways to get in touch with us. We also have a phone number. You can also call us. And the best phone number is 833-829-1120. That's +1 833-829-1120.
Fantastic. Thank you.